So you heard parallel compression can get you thicker, huh? Let me go ahead and help you out. So you heard about parallel compression but not sure what it does? It blends two versions of the same signal, your main version and then your heavily compressed or saturated version. So let me show you. So you got a beat. Parallel compression is used on drums, bass, vocals, anything you want. You can parallel compress a group, but in this case, we're just going to do the kick. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to route the kick over here to this empty track. So that way we have a copy of the signal. Now, make sure when you do this, you route to this track. Do not choose route to this track only because then the technique won't work. Once we've routed it, now we have our copy. Now what we can do is we can heavily compress our kick now. Basically get this as punchy as we can. And now we can blend a taste. And if you want to hear it in solo, back with the beat. And that's parallel compression in FL Studio. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to parallel compress in Ableton. So it's actually a little bit easier here. First thing that we got to do is we got to create a return track. So you could come up to create and insert a return track, or you can go ahead and do a shortcut, which on a Mac, I know it's Option Command T. Once you got your return track, what we're going to do is we're going to be grabbing our compressor. So I'll grab the Wave CLA 76 again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn up our drum rack here, which you're going to turn that up all the way. And on it, I have the kick, which we're going to be parallel compressing. And there's a reverse cymbal on there. So when you solo this, you basically can hear the kick now. And we're going to be doing the all in button. Getting that nice and fat. And once you got your compression to your liking, now what you can go ahead and do is you can blend a taste. So with the beat. It's with, without. With, drastic, so that's how you parallel compress in Ableton. It's wil.maker signing out.